Ever connected to the free Wi-Fi at an airport or hotel? It feels like a lifesaver, right? But what if I told you that simple convenience could be the biggest mistake you make all day? That free connection might just be a digital trap set by someone sitting just a few tables away, waiting to snatch your most private information. Think about it, your banking logins, your passwords, your private messages, even your credit card details. Everything you type, every site you visit could be getting vacuumed up by a cybercriminal. They can see it all, plain as day. This isn't some far-fetched movie plot. It's a real and growing threat. Once they have your data, they can drain your bank account, steal your identity, or sell your personal information on the dark web. The consequences can be devastating, turning your life upside down in a matter of minutes. I learned this the hard way. A few years ago, I was on a work trip, using the hotel's Wi-Fi to catch up on emails. It seemed secure. The next morning, I got a fraud alert from my bank. Someone had tried to make several large purchases overnight. I was lucky they were flagged, but it was a massive wake-up call. I spent hours on the phone, freezing accounts and changing every single password I had. It was a stressful, terrifying experience, and I realized just how vulnerable I had been. That sense of violation, knowing someone was digitally looking over my shoulder, is something I'll never forget. I was just trying to be productive, and instead, I almost lost everything. So, how do you protect yourself without becoming a digital hermit and avoiding public Wi-Fi altogether? The solution is actually surprisingly simple and powerful: a virtual private network, or VPN. Imagine a VPN as your own personal, encrypted tunnel through the internet. When you connect to a public Wi-Fi network and turn on your VPN, all of your data is scrambled and hidden inside this secure tunnel. Even if a hacker is on the same network trying to spy on you, all they'll see is gibberish. They can't read your messages, they can't steal your passwords, and they can't access your bank account. Your connection becomes invisible and untouchable. It's like putting your digital life inside a locked, armored vault. Using a VPN is the single most effective step you can take to make public Wi-Fi safe. It takes just one click to turn on, and it gives you complete peace of mind, no matter where you are. The world of cybersecurity can feel overwhelming, I get it. There are so many different threats and so many terms that can be confusing. That is why we put together a comprehensive article on our blog that breaks it all down. It goes deeper into how these Wi-Fi attacks actually work, what to look for in a good VPN service, and shares 5 more essential tips to keep your data safe online. It's a must-read if you're serious about protecting your digital identity. You'll find the link right in the description below. It's a super easy read that will turn you from a potential target into a well-defended pro. Don't wait until it's too late. The next time you're about to click connect on that free Wi-Fi, remember what's at stake. Your privacy is not something to be gambled with. Taking a small, simple step today can save you from a world of trouble tomorrow. Protect your data, protect your identity, and browse with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in our digital world. Stay secure out there.